So we're going to change the battery in this new style Nissan key. So to do that, you've got this little tab, slide that to the left, and then you can pull the key out. Then get something like a small screwdriver or something, and in between this black plastic and the silver piece, just put the screwdriver in just gently. Just gently like that, and then twist it slightly, and you should start to separate the casing. Then once you've managed to separate it, then you can take them apart, and the battery is on this piece here. Then you can get your flat blade screwdriver and just pry the battery up slightly, and then you can get a new battery and replace it. It's a CR2032H battery, and then just put that in like that, and then just get the other piece, and then you can put them together. And then just gently, once it's lined up, just start squeezing it together, and it should all click into place. Once you've done that, then just get the key, slide it back together, and then you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.